are hoping to find some mud. And I got put out, so now I have to walk just a little bit. Maybe we'll find some. Dun, 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 dun. It tastes good. Dun, 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 dun. No meat, big feet. I eat wood. Dun, 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 dun.
So after we spent some time on the trails today, got the truck a little muddy for the first time, and it did pretty well. Yeah, no issues at all there. I think it's going to serve us well. So now we're out here at the lake, getting a little bit of camping in. Tiff's putting, what are they called?
Bible tabs.
Yeah, put some tabs on my Bible so I can find some things quicker. But the girls, we brought Zoe and her friend. They got into the lake a little bit and swam. We'll see if they do that again tomorrow, but they're kind of over there having their own girl time right now, so we're out here enjoying the peaceful lake. You having fun?
Yeah. We're trying to find the mysterious clicker.
The mysterious clicker?
Yeah, because it's like there's this thing. I don't know what it is, but we see it everywhere. We don't see it, but we hear it. We hear it, and it's like this click, click, click sound. And every time we get like super duper near it, it always just stops. It doesn't come back until it knows we're gone.
Mm.
It's like,
I bet it's Sasquatch in the water.
Yeah,
that's what I'm thinking.
I bet it's Sasquatch.
But yeah, we'll see.
He's taunting us. I'm sorry for drowning you and your babies. You're interrupting the funeral.
Oh, the funeral.
Yeah, we're out. She wouldn't let me bury them, so we're holding a funeral.
I'm
sorry for drowning you and your babies on a piece of bark by poking you with a stick.
So this morning's been a pretty good, relaxing Sunday morning. We had some breakfast, watched church from camp, and it's it's been pretty relaxing. It's nice to get out here and just do nothing. But now the girls are out here on their floats, floating around, having a good time until we gotta leave.
Right there.
So we didn't capture much of that, but as you've seen, Tiff was doing some
Manual labor.
Some good manual labor. Builds character. She needs it in her life. Oh, got the ducks. Yeah, now we're gonna go back down here to the kids. They got out of the water, so we're gonna see what they're up to. Probably do some lunch and then pack up camp here shortly. So we just dropped off Zoe's friend. We had a little fiasco for lunch. I was cooking pizza and dropped it straight on the ground. So we went ahead and closed up camp and took them to Cracker Barrel and then took her home. But overall, it was a pretty good trip, pretty good weekend. We're very blessed to be able to relax and have a good time. Hopefully Zoe and her friend had a good time floating out on the water. Zoe probably did, she just won't admit it, but that'll do it for tonight, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
I don't even know what I was just recording. I eat good, it tastes good, no meat, big feet, I eat good,